Hi! In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 III, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down. Now select System, Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Keyboard. Finally click on Theme and tap on Show More. This way you will see all the available ones. When you're ready, click on one of those colors and tap on the switcher next to keyboards to enable or disable them. Finally, choose Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those images. So now when I go back, I can see the theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!